Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the mouse and putting it into pairing mode. This lets the tablet discover it. On your tablet, open Settings and go straight to Bluetooth. Make sure it's toggled on. Move the devices close because distance and obstacles cause failed pairings. Once you see the mouse name listed, pause and confirm it matches the device label. This prevents connecting the wrong peripheral. If prompted, accept pairing code or tap pair to begin establishing the secure link. Once the tablet lists the mouse, tap its name to pair. You'll see a confirmation, then a connected status. Now configure settings. Head to mouse or accessibility settings to set pointer speed and scroll behavior so it matches your hand movement. If your tablet supports additional mouse features, enable right-click, gestures, or precision modes to improve control. Make sure to test left/right clicks and scroll immediately, and adjust sensitivity until cursor motion. Finish by testing the mouse in several apps so you confirm consistent behavior across the tablet. If the cursor lags, reconnect by turning Bluetooth off and on or repairing the mouse. This often clears transient issues. For persistent problems, restart both devices, replace batteries, and check for system updates that include Bluetooth fixes. One troubleshooting tip. If pairing fails repeatedly, remove any saved pairings on the mouse and tablet and try pairing fresh. This resolves most identity or cache conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.